I just ran into a spider making a new nest.
Oh, I got the spider on my hand. Are you making it, Link?
Is this how high the tree got?
It's probably been up here close. The grass is all laid down there. It may just be dying out.
What's mushy right here?
That's just the ground next to.
There's a drain board.
This could be sketchy.
Slippy.
Yeah, let's see what we got. We see any snakes down here?
Yep.
Hang on just a second. Let me get all the way down here. All right, come on. Scott, come on, John Luke. Step down there on that rock, Link.
Oh, I feel like it's gonna be cold.
It's up to my knees right here. That's a deep hole.
Oh, yeah, it's cold. How is it up to your knees, but it ain't up to mine?
Well, I guess it's to the bottom of my shorts. Hey, you might want to get away from your brother. He's over here. And you still didn't. What you got there, John Luke?
Rock bass. Rock bass.
Red eye. Oh yeah. Gonna get the hook out of him?
This one's been caught a lot.
Think so. He got some holes in his lips. Oh, he's ready. We'll throw him back. There he goes. Get a hold of your rooster tail. Hang on, pick your line up. Get a hold of your line. You're all tangled up there. Now, got him? Get a hold of him good. Pay attention to what you're doing. Get a hold of one side of the treble hook and pull it out the way you need to pull it out there. Oh, he's mad. Lock them jaws up here.
I can't open it.
Yeah. Don't open it.
Well, get it. Oh, because I have two hooks
Here,
in me.
turn loose of him. It's your first rooster tail fish, ain't it?
Oh, gosh, he pooped on me.
Oh, gross. I think there's probably a warmouth. What do you think?
Yeah.
He fight pretty good?
Yeah.
He's got a set of jaws on him, don't he? Yeah. Pretty good on the rooster tail. First rooster tail catch. All right. Dip him in the water. Turn him loose. He's gone. On to the next one, ain't it? Spikes.
Yeah. Ain't another pooper.
Oh, he's got the old creek water's dirty. What'd we catch here, Link?
The bass.
Oh, yeah. What'd we catch him on there? Let's get my water line. It's a pretty good one. He's mad. Looks like I caught him on the Elgamite. Woo, look at that tail go. Let's get him unhooked here. Oh, sun's going down. Ain't it?
Yeah.
Did you get robbed? Talk to us a little bit.
Yeah, I just got robbed. Right now, we are trying to catch little bluegill.
We ain't had much luck, have we?
Well, I have.
You have?
They haven't.
Who hasn't?
Yeah.
Brother?
Yeah.
What's brother doing right now?
He's,
Playing.
playing in the water.
Yep, that'd be him right up there. He's got my cast net out. He's probably hooked a log and we'll never get it back.
That's show me. Show me bottom.
There, Link.
I don't know.
Pick him up.
Bro.
Get it out.
Yeah, I think I might just broke his jaw, though.
Broke his jaw. Let's hold it up here.
Yeah, broke his jaw.
Wash him off there. Don't let him go. Wash him off there. See what he looks like. Shake him off there in the water. All right. Now let's see what we got here.
Oh, he's slippery now.
Oh, he's slippery. That's a pretty good one, ain't it? Yeah, man. Look at that. Look how pretty.
What is this?
What'd you catch him on, Link?
A really big crawdad.
Who caught the crawdad?
Me.
You did? Oh, he getting ready to leave country. There you go. Got him back up here. Now, do we need to do a proper release? Yep. Oh, yeah. He's mean, ain't he? Did he put up a pretty good fight?
Yeah.
How much you think he weighs?
Maybe about maybe like 5. Ow, gosh. 5 pounds.
5 pound red eye, boys. 5 pound red eye. You don't see them like that every day. Turn him loose, sir. Let him go.
I don't like him. He's my fucking baby.
Cut him loose, Link. There you go. He gone.